Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to find our phone number on an iPhone. Sometimes we need to know our own phone number for various reasons, and there are times when we just can't remember it or access it. Maybe we don't know it by heart, though we really should. We might not be able to check our phone contract to see our number, or we might not have credit to call someone to see our number on their phone. So there might be times when we can't find our number at all. In this video, I'll show you two ways to find your phone number. From an iPhone, as long as you have the SIM card inserted in the device, without needing internet, mobile data, or even credit on your account. I'll also do this on an Android phone and share the link above when it's ready. So with that said, let's get started. Alright guys, let's begin with the first method. Before we start, I should mention that you'll see the phone blurred often, okay? I'm blurring it to protect personal data, specifically the phone number. Even though it's blurred, I'll guide you to where things appear. One quick way to find your number is through the iPhone's main menu. Look for the phone app, which is this one here, okay? It's the app we use to make calls. Once you open the app, you'll see your card at the top, if you've set it up, okay? You'll usually have it, but there might be cases where you don't, which is why we have a second method. But if you've set up your card, your icon and name will appear at the top where it says My Card. You'll see all contacts here, but your own contact will be first at the top, okay? It's labeled My Card. Tap on My Card and then scroll down, alright? All your information will appear here, starting at the top. And as you scroll down, you'll see a section labeled Mobile, where your own phone number is displayed. So this is the first method to quickly find out your phone number. Remember to insert the SIM card in your phone. From there, we can find out our mobile number. Now let's look at the second case, as many of you might not have the SIM card yet, okay? Don't worry, we can still find out the number. For this, we'll need to go to the Settings section. Tap on Settings, then scroll down until you find the Phone section. Keep scrolling through all the apps until you locate the Phone section. With the new iOS update, it might be under a different section. Just search through the apps until you find it, alright? The one labeled Phone. Once in the Phone section, you'll see My Number with your phone number next to it. From here, you can also find out your phone number, as it's taken directly from the SIM card. So these are the two easiest methods available on your iPhone to find your own number if you don't have any other way to get it. Well folks, that's all for this video. As always, I hope this has been helpful. If so, don't forget to give the video a like, it's super important. Also, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.